Hi, this is Vaishnavi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how I made lip and cheek tint using all natural and home available ingredients. So I have made this lip and cheek tint in two different ways. So the very first way is using a beetroot and second way is using a food color. So guys, please do not skip any part of this and do watch this video to the end. So I have peeled 2 beetroots and now I am chopping them into small cubes. Transfer it in a bowl and now put half a glass of water in it. Now grind it well, and this is how your paste should look like. Now strain the juice using a strainer. You can also use any unused clean cloth to strain the juice. Now start heating it by adjusting the flame high and low and keep stirring so that the juice doesn't stick to the vessel. This is how your final juice should look like, thick in texture and black in color. Now let it settle down for a while. Take a bowl and place the same cloth on it. Once the juice is cooled down, filter it again. Now put half spoon of aloe vera gel. Two big spoons of rose water. Now add 5 to 6 drops of any essential oil. I have used coconut oil. If you have oily skin, then go for 1 or 2 drops of it. Now put some moisturizer. Now you can store it in any airtight container. People who have black or pale lips should definitely go for this beetroot tint, as beetroot has bleaching properties which can give you perfectly tinted lips. Now store it in the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes. Take a bowl and put 3 spoons of rose water. Put some aloe vera gel and half spoon of any food color powder, and lastly put 5 to 6 drops of oil according to your skin type. Mix them well and transfer it into any airtight container and refrigerate it for 30 to 40 minutes. So first I'm going to try the beetroot one. this looks super natural. And let me tell you guys, you can preserve this lip tint for about 1 week in your refrigerator. Now it's time for the second one, the food color. I hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. That's all.